Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Ranktracker and SearchAtlas. Now, I know most of us are SEO warriors, so are you torn between Ranktracker and SearchAtlas? Both promise to boost your rankings, but which one actually really delivers? Today we're breaking them down in a no-nonsense showdown. Stick around, this will save you hours of guesswork. Now when it comes to keyword tracking, Ranktracker tracks rankings accurately, while SearchAtlas has advanced SERP insights. Now, when it comes to backlink analysis, Ranktracker has basic link tracking, while SearchAtlas has deep backlink explorer. When it comes to competitor spy, Ranktracker is limited, while SearchAtlas has full competitor SEO audits. When it comes to ease of use, Ranktracker has a simple dashboard, but SearchAtlas has a steeper learning curve. When it comes to price, Ranktracker is more affordable, while SearchAtlas uses premium pricing. When it comes to AI features, Ranktracker has a basic feature, while SearchAtlas has AI-powered recommendations. And when it comes to reporting, Ranktracker has standard PDFs, while SearchAtlas has customizable visual reports. So if you want deep insights and AI powers, SearchAtlas is your beast. But if you need a simple, budget-friendly tracker, Ranktracker keeps it clean. So who wins? SearchAtlas for pros who want everyday drop, or Ranktracker for quick no-fuss tracking? Drop a comment, which one do you use, and smash the like button if this helped. See you in the next video.